Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to easily complete the submit evaluations quest in just a few steps. First, make sure you have accepted the quest from NPC pop, and then next just tap on your watch, and then just tap on developers guild like this, and then just tap on tap evaluate like this, and then after that just tap on submit like this, and then after that make sure you're fully satisfied with your home designs, including decorations, layout, and overall looks, and then just choose the best photo of your home and then just submit. And okay, that's it. Now you just need to wait for the result. The evaluation results are announced every Saturday at 6 a.m. so you can renovate your home and resubmit it again every week. And just remember, the higher you score, the better the rewards that you will get. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.